Hi guys, good afternoon, 25th of October 2017, and I'm a little delayed because it was so much happening today, and market is, lifetime high. Nifty has touched. I hope you all heard my video yesterday very, very carefully. I told you that to me, Nifty looks very positive. Nifty looks to be heading up, That is what I said yesterday, and I analyzed it in all possible ways for you people. And the same, like today also, it doesn't look to me from, like it's been up so many points. It's been up by almost, it opened quite massively gap up. It opened at about uh, 10,351, and after that it came down good about, good about 100 points, and after that again it is bouncing back. Nifty, whenever there is such a huge gap up opening, Nifty or any other stock will definitely come down to fill up the gap. And then it is, once it's consolidated, the morning profits have been booked. Now the Nifty is in the, again, going up, right? Now this is its second run up that's coming up. Now what is my stance and what do I feel about Nifty is, of course, Nifty looks very, very positive from all time frames. Like look into Nifty, it's just made this huge candle. Now there could be a possibility that what we can think about here is that upside is little limited. Like I believe, now let's to really have a more clear understanding about it, let's go to option chain. Now this is the option chain of Nifty, and what is happening here, if you see 10,300, the call writing is, highest call writing is here, right over here at this point, 15,14,000. That's the change in open OI, and similarly here the OI is 26,63,000. Now we come to the call side. Now call side also, the unwinding happening or in the in the money calls, but it's not, like out of the money calls, there is heavy call writing, right? Can you see that? That means 10,300. Where is Nifty right now? 10,281, right? So 10,300 is a freezing zone for Nifty. That is what I can feel from here. So if there is an upside, it will be limited, and if it is downside, that will also be limited until there is a decisive moment that comes up. Some government policy, like the way it came yesterday, and the moment, yesterday policy came, I believe market was showing it very clearly that market don't plan to go down. And I mean, I didn't know anything about it. My members probably are much, much smarter, They all had SBIN call, like, see, this is what SBIN has done today. In fact, all the banks, PNB was 54 points up. And then you can look into the Indian bank, that's also up. Look into the syndicate bank, that's also up. All the banks virtually, every single bank that you think about, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, except some public sector bank, right? Private banks. Like for example, Kotak Mahindra Bank was down. IndusInd Bank was down. Some of the stores, some of the, the private HDFC Bank was down. But if you look into, most of the public sector banks, they were all up, and that is due to the government policy, that the announcement that came through yesterday. So what I'm telling you here, that you have to, if you are in the direction of the market, then you don't need to worry. Then you don't need to really worry. You have to only take a trade which is in the direction of the market. Like if you're against the market, none of you will have, you will not enjoy. And I want to show you what my members have done. See, 1,15,625 ICICI Bank call, right? And then there's another one, 1,03,310. And what call? SBIN call, right? And these are all they have done. I have not given it to them. They have only done it. I want to show you another one. Most of them have earned in this range only. Like if you see, most of them have earned in this range only. This is 1,33,000. Then I had another one here. same. Then I could show you here. Then this one, 15,000. So like this is how they have, you know, really got good money, each of them. And why have they got it? Because they understand what's happening in the market. See here, 1,48,000. So members have this also. This member has also got all the SBIN calls. So if you understand market like this, then you can earn money, earn as much money as you wish to, right? So what I'm saying, learn the tricks of the trade, then be in the market. Then you will not be defeated by the sudden movement of the market, right? When you will understand the market, you will not be worried. Today morning, I have done a trade on GMR Infra, and I entered somewhere around 18.2, and this is the run up it gave. Then I entered into National Aluminium. I think here it's open. So I entered into National Aluminium, although it didn't give me much momentum, but I entered somewhere here, 87 point something, 87 point something I entered here, 87 point something, and then just little few points I got. Then sale I entered at about 62.5, and this is how it's giving the momentum, right? So trading in the right direction is very important. You know, like if we are against the tide, definitely we will have to bear the consequences. All right. So now let me also show you Ramkey. Right. This is one of the stock that I gave you when it was at 99 rupees, and see it's 63 points up. And how many days? I mean, let's see over here. I gave it to you when we were somewhere here. Ramkey was at 99. This was on 29th of September. Not even 1 month. And see the beautiful run up that it has given. Right? So when you understand the market in the correct direction, even I did Wipro today. Wipro also I bought at some 298 or something. I bought it somewhere around 298 or somewhere, and somewhere here 299 or some. I bought it early morning, so somewhere here I bought it 297 or 98. I bought it and I sold it over here. So this was my trade, but still it's doing pretty fine. So I did quite a lot of intraday trades, although I don't advocate, but since I'm working on my technique, I need to see how it works in each and every market, and that is why I'm doing so many trades. All right. So guys, once again, I keep reminding you all that if you want to earn good money, if you want to be in the market, if you want to understand the direction of the market, how is it heading, where is it heading, then please learn. And learn it properly so that your trades are right. Your trades are in the correct direction. So let's go back before I close. Nifty looks very solid and robust. Look at this beautiful curvature that it is having. That shows me this is 5 minutes graph. Let me make it 15 minutes graph, and it looks pretty decent to me, you know. But at the same time, since it is at such a peak, if tomorrow a candle forms, let's say a candle forms within the body of this candle, means it opens little gap down and then it closes within this body, then I'm expecting market to go down after that. Okay, so this is what is going to be my stance on Nifty. Let's see what happens tomorrow. This is today, right? And also one more trick that I would like to tell you. Look at this PNB Housing and Finance. It is up almost by 36%. If by the end of the day, let's say another half an hour or so, or some kind of profit booking comes into it, we will have a good opportunity to short it. We will short it and we can gain good profit out here, right? That could be one probable strategy one can have to earn money in the market, because those who have bought it at the bottom somewhere here, they will definitely book their profit. So those who did not get the opportunity to enter into it, will get the opportunity by shorting it. Fine. So with this, I'm signing off, and I'm hoping that you all are ready to learn and learn the correct way, and so that none of you have losses. Fine. Good day. Bye-bye. My webinar starts on 4th of November, and I'm really waiting for each and every one of you. I showed you the kind of profits members have had. You can see it once again and make up your mind. Would you like, do you think spending 30,000 and earning such kind of profits, is it a big deal? You know, like, is it something that you would like to do or you would not like to do? 1,48,000. So I'm saying that give it a try. I mean, I'm sure your experience will be extremely good, and I'm assuring you, you will be able to generate good amount of money. Fine, and it's going to be learning for the lifelong. It's not that today you learn and tomorrow you forget about it. You are all in the market. Every time you will trade, you will polish your skills, right? So about Nifty, as I told you, let's just quickly also look into the international market, what's happening. There's nothing that I could feel. There's nothing much, as if a little bit up and then down. DAX went up and came down. FTSE little went up and then coming down. So not that a great influence of is on Nifty, but let's see what happens, right? With this, I'm signing off, but I'm really waiting for you all. We start on 4th of November, and every day there are people, members who are joining, and the moment you join us, we put you in our Stock Pro Rockers group, and there, you know, you start getting our special calls. So I'm really looking forward for you all. We're spending 30,000. You can spend it by credit card. You can take EMIs from your bank or from our, from us also, and do it. Do it. Like, I'm sure every single person will be able to earn money. All right. With this, I'm signing off, but I'm really waiting for you. Good day.